In a previous video, I created a Killswitch effect using a couple of volume pedals in the Tone Master Pro. Jason Stillwell from Fender pointed out that this can actually be done a lot simpler. So now in this video, I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way to create a Killswitch with the Fender Tone Master Pro. Here you can see I'm in the Pro Control app from Fender. I'm going to add an amp. You can add any amp. So I'm going to go with a half stack and I'm going to select the Solo 100 Overdrive. Now I go to Footswitch Assign, select an available Footswitch, then select Parameter Change. I'm then going to select the amp, click Confirm, then select Master. This is the activated value, so I'm going to say Confirm at 56%, and then set the inactive value to 0%. Again, hit Confirm. Now scroll down to Switch. Change it from Latching to Momentary. Come out of that menu. And now your foot switch, when pressed, will change the master value from 0 to 56%. You can, of course, flip these values so that the active value is 0 and the inactive is 56. That way the volume is on until you press the switch. So again, watch the master value. I'm pressing the foot switch and you'll see it go to 0.